Excuse me.
No.
Did you get some water?
In the truck.
It's in my throat.
I know it's dry.
Hey guys, this is Mark with the Art of RVing, and of course we always look for something, a unique rig rundown, and we have ran into Craig and Sheila Bedingfield in, what town is this?
This is
Mount Enterprise. And so I wanted to introduce you to these guys, and they have a really unique rig, and I just really wanted to show it to you.
We've been RVing for about 2.5, 3 years now. Been to a lot of parks, been to a lot of Corps of Engineer parks, state parks. C-Rim State Park's our favorite, if that helps. Love to fish for the red drum, so we head down there and do that.
Fun.
Is this your first camper?
First camper,
It is, okay.
yes.
Oh my gosh, that is crazy.
Yeah.
Whose idea was it?
It was Craig's. Yeah.
And what'd you say when he said it?
Well, I thought it was a great idea. Yeah. Did you want a bigger one or did you want a little one?
I like this one.
Okay.
I do like this one. Yeah.
Well, that's great,
It's
guys.
easy to pull. We can take it anywhere. We can take
Absolutely.
it down on the beach. Yeah.
Right.
It's awesome. Yeah.
I love that.
Yeah.
All right, Craig, let's see what you got, man.
All right, it's a 2016 Little Guy Tab Outback Edition. It's got a bench here. We keep your grills, your firewood, your coolers. Of course, inside is you got battery storage, some butane storage, propane, I guess you call that. Rod holders attached to it for whether you're fishing, whatever kind of rods you're carrying, and then it's just a standard hookup with a little sway bar on it. Of course, there's a little TV in here. There's a stereo in here. You can add water. You can hook up to city water. Cool little windows there in the bathroom. It does have a wet bath in it. Lots of windows, 3 windows all the way around. Hook up for electricity, of course. An outdoor shower is here. And that's just the exhaust for the Audi heating system for the water. Yakima rack on back. Got a spare tire on it right now. Can put pretty much anything on them. A little bit of outside electricity if you want to cook outside with a table. We got a table in there. And then on the inside, it's just lots of wood, lots of little wet bath, little refrigerator, little stove top, stereo system. It can either be a queen size bed or a dining room or a TV lounge. Only one at a time though.
Okay. He just stopped us when we were coming back from a camping trip, so we've got all our things piled in here. But a cooktop here, and a refrigerator here, and a wet bath here. Can you get in?
Yeah.
To see this? Yeah.
Oh my
That's a
gosh.
leaf, yeah, that you can see. And it's got a shower in there. We take a shower
Wow.
in there, yeah.
You got your air conditioner?
And an air conditioner, yeah, and a TV.
Does that air conditioner freeze you out of here?
It will.
I'll bet it
will.
does.
And then this fan is what we use most of the time because we can bring air in, and so the fan is what we use most of the time with storage back there. And so this turns into a queen size bed or dining room.
Wow, look at
One
that
thing at a
beautiful
time.
wood in
It
there.
is.
I mean, it
That's
just
one of the
curves
things-
back.
And she was asking about
That's
did I want a
beautiful.
bigger one, and no, this one is perfect, and it's just really pretty, I think.
Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. That woodwork is just amazing.
Thank
Oh, and
you,
I
thank you.
And I see that table swivels around.
It does.
So that it can,
Yes.
it has more.
Yes,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
he's
yeah.
got it locked right now,
Yes.
and it also comes off, and then we just slide it under when we make the bed down.
Oh, that's so great.
Yeah.
I'm Craig.
I'm Sheila, and thanks for watching.
Thank y'all for watching.